Hola, buenos días. Les informaré sobre el campanario de Vigan Ilocosur y acompáñeme a conocer su historia y cómo está completo. Hasta listos, empecemos. The Bantay Watchtower or Bell Tower are located in the municipality of Bantay, right next to its local church. The Bantay Bell Tower previously served as a watchtower for the town and for the nearby capital city of Vigan during the Spanish colonial period, protecting both areas from pirates and other enemies. One of Vigan's most iconic symbols is the Bantay Bell Tower. The Bantay Bell Tower, built in 1591, it served as the town watchtower before being turned into a bell tower by the nearby church in 1857. Located roughly 10 minutes from the town of Vigan, it's located in the town of Bantay, Ilocos Sur. Eso es todo. Muchas gracias por escuchar. Hasta la próxima.